Welcome back to the channel of Car Compass. Today we are diving into the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 4x4 GR Sport, a vehicle that continues to redefine the hybrid SUV segment with a blend of athletic style, capable performance, and smart features tailored for modern driving demands. Toyota has once again raised the bar by combining eco-efficiency with sport-inspired design and all-wheel drive capability, making the latest RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport a compelling option for both city commuters and adventure seekers. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport is powered by Toyota's advanced hybrid powertrain, which pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a dual electric motor system. This setup delivers a combined output of around 219 horsepower, ensuring brisk acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride. The electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system enhances traction by automatically distributing torque to the rear wheels when needed, especially during slippery or off-road conditions. The vehicle also benefits from Toyota's hybrid synergy drive technology, which provides seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power for optimal efficiency and performance. The GR Sport variant introduces a more aggressive and sporty edge to the already popular RAV4 lineup. It features a unique front grille design, sleek black exterior accents, exclusive 19-inch alloy wheels, and a specially tuned suspension setup that improves handling and responsiveness. The result's a vehicle that looks as dynamic as it drives. The lowered stance and GR-specific badging give the RAV4 Hybrid a confident road presence that stands out in a crowded SUV market. Inside the cabin, the RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport offers a refined yet bold interior. Premium materials such as synthetic leather upholstery with contrast stitching, aluminum sport pedals, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel enhance the sporty feel. The driver-focused cockpit includes a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota has also included its latest software interface, offering faster response times and improved user customization. Comfort and practicality remain key strengths of the RAV4 Hybrid. The cabin is spacious with generous legroom and headroom for all passengers. The rear seats fold flat to expand cargo space, making it ideal for carrying everything from groceries to camping gear. Multiple USB ports and wireless charging ensure devices stay powered up, while the panoramic sunroof and ambient interior lighting add a touch of luxury to everyday drives. In terms of safety, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport comes equipped with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense. This suite includes advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These features not only provide peace of mind, but also contribute to a safer driving experience in various conditions. On the road, the RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport delivers a balanced mix of comfort and athleticism. The revised suspension tuning and tighter steering feel allow for more confident cornering and better road feedback. Despite its sporty demeanor, it remains fuel efficient, with estimated ratings of around 40 miles per gallon combined, depending on driving conditions. The regenerative braking system also contributes to energy recovery and improved efficiency during stop-and-go traffic. When it comes to market availability, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport is expected to arrive at dealerships globally starting from late 2025, with initial launches in key markets like North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Pricing is anticipated to start slightly higher than the standard hybrid trim, reflecting its premium features and sporty enhancements. Toyota is also expected to offer various packages and options, allowing buyers to tailor their GR Sport to suit their needs and preferences. Whether you're seeking an efficient family SUV or a stylish urban crossover with added performance and capability, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport is a strong contender. It blends the practicality and reliability Toyota is known for with a sportier, more exciting drive that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Thanks for watching this video on the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid GR Sport. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest car releases, comparisons, and reviews, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Car Compass community.